Well, getting tires for the mighty Massey from the wonderful Casper Tires up here in El Rosa, Minnesota. Good guy, heck of a deal. Oh boy, I didn't even have to tell him who I was, and he got a heck of a deal for me. And so I got a matching set of 4 on factory Agco rims, a pretty hard find at a really good price. So that'll make that Massey look good. I'm just kind of guessing. So the back axle, obviously to adjust tread setting, you just slide the hub in and out. The front axle, I think we need to reverse this dish and then swap this tire to the other side so we can be on this face against the dish. Because where I sit right now, if I flip the disc, I move in about 10 inches. So then we need to be able to come back out 2 inches, and that's where this difference would be. Alright, I didn't record much of the chasing the tires back around because I tried just flip-flopping sides. So, because they were dish out, so I thought, well, let's just switch sides. But it was the way they were bolted to the rim here, and this offset of center is what the deciding factor was. So this was the tire that was on this side. All I did was flip the dish, slide the tire on. The fenders are kind of slick. All you got is just a T-slot, or a slot with a carriage bolt. So just loosen the nut, push it in, tighten the nut. So then we'll get it all together, and then at some point we'll have to check our steering and see if we need to adjust the steering stop. So that's about the steer angle that we're gonna get. So I want to adjust the fender stop. So the fenders are spring loaded so they don't go into the body panel. And so you got a little screw right here, and we'll back that screw off to get a little more turn out of the fender. And then you got the steering stop right here, and then one on the back side. So we'll do it full right like this. We'll get both of them stops adjusted, and then go full left and get them adjusted that way. And we should be looking pretty good. All right, I think I want to move this bracket to the outside of this bracket and get us a little more clearance. So this is rubber mounted. The fender is rubber mounted, so it when it hits the chassis, it can flex out. But I want, yeah, so I'll switch that bracket to the inside, and then I need longer studs here for front duals. And there's a difference between the studs between this heavy cast row crop and the steel big single silage wheel. So I gotta get the studs there. So I just put the nuts on backwards just to hold the wheel on for now, and then I get the weights on, and then the dual hub, and then the dual, and then we should be good to go.